I will show you guys how to do a flyer with your AI created professional headshot. First, we're gonna go to Google search. Let's do a realtor marketing flyers right there. All right. Go look at some image. Whichever one we like, we will pick. How about this one? Look, it's an Asian guy. Okay, let's save this image as whatever. So the image is safe to my download folder. I will come over here to image to prompt, and I will upload image, and that's the one I just downloaded, the real estate one. Oh, shit. And I will click open, and this will create a prompt for us to use in Flux to create the same image. So I'm going to generate prompt, and this is the prompt it gave me. Real estate flyer featuring a friendly Asian man in business suit holding briefcase, blah 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 blah. Okay, I will copy it, go to my Lux with Laura right here on my prompt. I want to paste. Oh, this is a detail one I was doing earlier. I'll show you how to do that too. Okay, so I want to paste that in there. Real estate friendly Asian man business suit holding briefcase, mid-30, Asian male, light complexion, blah 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 blah. Neutral face collection. I'm just trying to remove the wording that they were having there. So the image highlight a large gray lighthouse, blah blah blah. Flyer in for two real estate agent. What do you mean? Two real estate agent. Oh, right here. I won't just remove that. Yeah, I don't want that. There. Okay, so here's one. Default number step. Let's do 32. Okay, this is the C that I like. 9. Okay, run it. So basically, we're copying a flyer from online image, and then we're creating it and putting our image in there. Okay. Look at chubby wubby over here. Okay, so it is close. He had a blue shirt. I got a blue shirt. Okay, it's close. So this is what you do. See how real this look. Okay, this look realistic enough, passable. Yeah, I could work with this and put my own text on it, or even this guy on download boat. Yeah, this guy face look realistic enough. Yep, pass. So these two images passing, I want to download them. All right. Right. Okay, so they both downloaded to my folder, and I will go over here. It's Adobe New Express. I will put the link for you guys in the description in the video. So we will right here start with my content, and I will upload this guy. All right, this look kind of nerdy, but it will work for a realtor flyer. Yeah, that will work. So basically, we just grab an idea from the internet, copying it, make a prompt, put our image inside this, this this situation, him holding briefcase, standing in front of the house, and then we're gonna put our own advertisement, whatever, our own open house, realtor contact info into it. It's really easy. You see, like this right here. So, you could do all of this right here. Dream home, real estate, real perfect space away. Okay, right. All of these you could do. See, whatever, right? Homeowner pride. First home big step, call me, something like that. All right. So let's do this. So with Adobe, you could do anything. You can add any text you want. Some of you already know that. But this create a template upon your picture. Okay. So you could edit this. You could click on each one and edit it. And you can always add your own text to it. Add your own text. Fill a fam. Phone number. So and so. Email. So and so. So that's just to give you an idea how easy it is. And I want the text to be just do play with it. I'm just gonna do a simple one. Yeah, so you get the idea. It's customizable and it's really fast. Boom, right there. And that's it. You could move this around, split this up, put your phone number over here, put your name over here, email going down the side, whatever. Whatever you feel is, you play with it, whatever. So I'll make this look as best possible for you. Nah, that's good enough. Well, anyways, you can play with it. So basically, you have this already. You finish. You could just download it, and it's free. Everything here is free to use. All right, see. And you can click download, and PNG best for images. Okay, download, and boom, it'll be in your download folder. And let's go to our download folder. Where we go? Download. Okay, so right here. Say it took like 1 minute to make your own real estate flyer, right? But it will take you a little bit longer to make sure everything's perfect. The second way to do this is the way I prefer. Is if I like this guy right here or this guy, I will use photo room. Okay. And it's free to use too. So I'm gonna click to remove the background. Okay, this guy right here. So I'm gonna use this guy without a background. And I'm gonna put him into a flyer that, see right here, I want to make this guy background. What? Wait. Okay. Transparent background is what I want. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on right here on the right side. It will save it. Best for image. You don't need a pro. Just need a preview. It's free. So Realtor. Blue shirt. Download. Alright, so that guy's in my download folder. I will go back to Adobe Express over here. Get rid of him. Start a new one. Okay. Realtor. Do open house. Okay. It's a lot of. You could search for anything over here. You could do a lot of stuff over here. So, you know, you could do an open house with, you know, with the house that you're selling, or you could do it just a simple one for advertisement, like, okay. Yeah. Let's do this one. Okay. So we want to customize the template they have already. See, everything's done, set, done. You could change. Oh yeah, you could change all of these. You know, it's each one is a box of text that you can change: the date, the time, the address. You know, whatever. You know, you don't have. You know, Atlanta, Georgia. You can do whatever you want with these. Okay. I'm not gonna do it. It's, you understand the concept. And then I'll upload. Click on upload. And Realtor blue shirt photo room. Boom. Open up. So here I am. My little thingy. I don't know where the blue thing came from. But anyway, you see, I can put myself right here. You know, wherever it fit. Right? You see how easy that was to make a flyer, and then I could edit everything else on this page, add more if I wanted to, and I click download, and that's it. See how easy it is to make a flyer? That is it. Very easy, guys.